Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. We will be solving the day 24 problem from the May Lead Coding Challenge. We need to return the root of the binary tree that matches the given pre-order traversal. It is guaranteed that for the given test case it is possible to find a binary search tree with the given requirements. The binary tree formed by the given example is shown in the figure. Let's see how we can solve it. We will initialize start and end limit as 0 and length of array minus 1. Now we return method helper start, end. In the method, we will first check if start is greater than end. If that's the case, then we return null. If not, then we create root variable with value as element at start index. We will then initialize a variable val with -1. Now we look from start plus 1 to end and find the index of first element greater than the element at start index. If we do not find a value, we update val to end plus 1. We proceed to recursively construct left and right subtree. Root.left will be helper from start plus 1 to val minus 1 and root.right will be helper from val to end. At the end we return root. Let's see it in action. We will initialize start and end limits. In this case it will be 0 and 5. Now we will check if the start is greater than end. As it is not, we move forward and create root with value at start index. Now we will initialize val to -1 and find the first index whose value is greater than value at start index. We will start from index 1. As 8 is not less than 5, we move ahead. Similarly, we will check till we reach end. At I equals to 4, we get value as 10 which is greater than 8. So we break the loop here and update val to 4. Now we recursively call left and right helper, one from start plus 1 to val minus 1 and other from val to end. That is left helper from 1 to 3 and right from 4 to 5. Let's try to solve the left subtree. Now the start will be 1 and end will be 3. As start is less than end, we move forward and create a root variable with value at start index. Now we will find index whose value is greater than value at start index. We find 7 at index 3, so we update val to 3. Now we recursively call on left and right subtree for 5. On left tree from 2, 2 and on right from 3, 3. For helper 2, 2, we will find 1 as the root. And as loop is from 3, 2, it won't execute. So we update val to end plus 1, that is 3. Calling left and right subtree, both tree has values start greater than right, so they will return null. Similarly, we will solve the right tree of root 5 and it will return 7. This will be our final tree. The time and space complexity for this algorithm is O of n. Here is the actual code snippet from the method. Also check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. Check out link to the Java code in the description below. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. And also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.